You know those buttery smooth camera motions that slide from one point to another, adding depth and cinematic vibes to a scene? They look complex, but don't worry, they're actually pretty simple to pull off. Here's how you can achieve that effect in After Effects in just 5 straightforward steps. Step 1. Turn your layers into 3D. Start by selecting the layers you want to animate. Then click the little 3D cube icon to activate 3D mode. Can't see it? Press F4 to toggle the switches. Once 3D is enabled, you can tweak the Z position, the third number in the position setting. Increasing this value pushes the layer deeper into the scene, while lowering it pulls it closer. Arrange different layers at varying depths to build what's called Z depth. This is what creates that awesome parallax effect, where closer elements move faster than those in the background. Bonus tip. If you're working with a single comp or image, you can pre-compose it first, then turn that pre-comp into a 3D layer. Step 2. Add a camera. Right-click on the timeline, go to New Camera. Choose a 35mm focal length. It's a nice balance that gives you smooth, natural-looking depth. Hit OK, and your camera is good to go. Step 3. Create a null object for easy control. Now let's make animation easier. Right-click the timeline again, go to New, Null Object. Make this Null 3D as well, and then parent the camera to it. This allows you to control the camera's motion using the null, which is a lot cleaner than messing with the camera's internal settings directly. Step 4. Animate your camera movement. Head to the point in the timeline where you want your animation to start. Select the null object and keyframe its position and scale. Then, move ahead in time and adjust those same properties to define your camera path. Subtle changes usually work best. Don't overdo it. Step 5. Smooth it out with easing and motion blur. Highlight your keyframes and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Now open the graph editor by clicking the graph icon. Switch it to Value Graph Mode, easier for beginners, and drag the handles to form a smooth curve. This will make your motion feel more fluid and natural. Now that you've mastered 3D camera transitions, level up your skills and learn how to create cinematic 3D camera effects in After Effects. Click the video in the top right corner now. If you don't have After Effects yet, grab the latest version with the free trial using the link below this video. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter. You'll get exclusive discount codes, the latest tech news, and early access to updates on the best software deals. The link to sign up is below this video.